I have some good news. Now, for the last two months or so, I've been thinking about doing some kind of a project to help people out with investing. I do get people contacting me on PM, and quite a few. I've been doing this on just kind of on the fly through Messenger on Facebook, and that's kind of worked okay. But to make it a bit more robust, I've finally decided I'm going to go ahead and do this on Facebook as a group. Now, I'll put the link to it here in the description and also in the comment section. And in this group, as you can see here, it's called Crypto Daily with Reekay and Friends. There are some rules here. There's only 4 rules, so just make sure you familiarize yourself with those. Now, the point of the group is going to be twofold. One is going to be to sort of educate and help and be a forum for those who are new to crypto investing. You can go ahead and just post and ask a question, anything you want to know. There's several of us that have been doing this for quite a while. So that's one aspect of the objective here. The other objective is to have a community. It's nice to be able to talk about crypto with people who are familiar with it, people who, because oftentimes our family or friends they're not really just into it or even aware of it. So it's kind of hard to relate to them some of the excitement that we have, when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency. Now, if you're interested in other aspects of investing, for instance, some people are into doing options, some people are doing the NYSE, the NASDAQ, some people are doing Forex, some people are even doing the Philippine Stock Exchange. If you're at all involved in investing, you're more than welcome to join. The main focus will be cryptocurrency, but we're open to talking about all kinds of investments, precious metals, and other things. And like I said, you can feel free to ask questions or share references. Much of what I share is usually either videos that are relevant to what's going on, outlooks on the market, also articles to read, anything that might affect the asset class, like for instance the current SEC pre-trial motions going through with Ripple, and that of course is related to the XRP coin. So we've been following that, pretty much day by day as we go. And again, any news that affects the overall market. Now, another thing that I do, and I've done, in the past, is to share a crypto coin that's, maybe performing well that day. And now in this one, I just kind of like highlighted it, but I'll probably be doing videos or even just graphics where I help to explain why it happens to be doing what it's doing, the different, mechanics and principles behind that. Again, other times I will just highlight who's doing really well that day, who's not. So again, it's all open for discussion and education, and just being part of a community that's focused on cryptocurrency. Now, if you're interested in a wider scope of topics that are related to both crypto and the Philippines, and maybe just some goofy fun stuff here and there, then you're more than welcome to come over to Twitter. Again, I'll give you the link. You can just type in @Enrico Suave or Reekay, and you'll probably find me. And now in my Twitter account, which I update, pretty much daily, again, a broader spectrum of articles, many relating to not just crypto, but also to the Philippines, international news, just a variety of things, that catch my interest. So, it's pretty easy. You just click follow, and then you'll get the updates there at the Twitter account. I will emphasize that we do cover a lot of really good information. And if you really want to pay, for some guidance on cryptocurrencies, there are 3 very good references. I'll probably post them here in the group tomorrow. And now they are expensive. They are about $1,000 an hour for a private consultation, and then $2,000 for a lifelong, membership with the signals and access and all that. So, you can always go that route if you want, but just understand that what we're going to be doing here will be saving you a lot of money and helping you to earn a lot of money if you have the fortitude to, and the finances to make it happen. Again, there's a lot of valuable information that gets passed through here, the information that you can glean from the group, and I'm willing to share it for free. There's no charge. You just get on Facebook and you join. Now, if you say you don't use Facebook, well, there's just really no other way that you're going to be able to participate. So if you are interested in cryptocurrency or investing and being a part of the community, then feel free to just join and then check it out. All right, so I'll catch up with you guys later. Hopefully see you there, and we'll talk about something else later. Okay, bye-bye. Hey, if you enjoyed the content, be sure to subscribe and get notifications for new stuff. Also, check out my community tab where you can get updated news on stuff going on in Southeast Asia. All right, catch you later. Bye-bye.